This is Patrick Baker with Prime of Life Tech. In this video, I'll describe how to install the Zoom app on your Android phone or tablet. The first step is to go to Google Play Store and then find the app, and then we'll install it. The Play Store icon is in the upper left corner of my screen, the triangle shape. I'm going to tap that. That launches Google Play. I'm going to tap inside the search bar, and I'm going to search for Zoom. I tapped the search button on my keyboard, and Zoom is the first option that appears in the search results. I'm going to tap the green Install button on the right and begin installing on my phone. Once that is installed, we have the choice of either signing up with our email address for a Zoom account, or you can use credentials that you already have for Google and for Facebook, either one, and you can sign into Zoom that way. And I'll show you how to do those things here in just a moment. Okay, Zoom has finished installing on my phone. You can see now that it says installed under Zoom Cloud Meetings, and now we have an open button on the right. I'm going to tap open, which launches the Zoom app. There is a 4-screen intro that you can swipe through if you like to read more about what Zoom can do for you. You have two choices now. If I tap the sign up button, I can enter my email, first and last name. When I agree to the terms of service, it will then take me through the next steps of getting signed in, ask me for a password, and so on. The other thing that you can do, and I'm going to tap the arrow on the top left to go back, there's a sign in option on the lower right. So below the blue Join Meeting button, if I tap Sign In, if I already created a Zoom account, say on my laptop, for example, with an email address and password, I can use that. The other options are listed below. I can use Google or I can use Facebook to sign in to the Zoom application. So you can choose one of those, and it will use your existing logins to sign in. You may have to re-enter passwords and so forth for your either Google account or your Facebook account to do that. And that concludes our video on how to install and get initially signed into Zoom. Watch my follow-up video for some key steps that you need to follow in order to use Zoom in a video chat call. Thank you.